Weird noise, October 7th. Been hearing it for a few days. Yeah, only at night. This weird whirr, whirr, whirr. You think if it was like a tool or some man-made thing, that would be a little bit of differentiation. Like if they were boring or drilling or whatever that noise is. Or maybe it's some vacuum. I have no idea. It's weird. Off in the distance. Can't tell. It gets louder and sometimes it goes down, but it's the same rhythm. What is that? Anybody know? If you can even hear it. Lots of crickets and cars and that way is towards Harpersville. So maybe they're doing some work somewhere, but just don't know. That's loud, Maybe it's just on the wind. Anyways, there's Marley. Marley! He's a good boy. He's such a good boy. Weird noises. Gotta get ready. Storms and winter. Gotta get ready. Lots of work to be done. And you guys see it's kind of quiet now, but it's still there. I don't know if you can hear that. Faint. It doesn't stop. It starts at nighttime. I'm going to pay attention to this. Signing out.